Guess who?
Come right ahead, folks. The entrance is to the tunnel straight ahead.
Hi everybody, this is Wynonna Woodpecker here. Here I am, Super Nintendo World for my second time. And before I can continue the games, I'm gonna meet Princess Peach. And speaking of her, look! It's Baby Peach plus doll. I bought this from Amazon. Oh, if you're asking me how many keys and coins I have, I'll show you. Here it is. I'm surprised I still have that key and the coins, which means I can come back here to continue where I left off from those games. For example, that game. So after I meet Peach, then I could go in there so I can get ready for the game. Games will be up in my games to get the key so I can get to the Mario's Bowser Jr.'s challenge. In 15 or 20 more minutes, Peach will be arrived. Let's go, everybody. I can't wait to meet Princess Peach before I can get ready for the games. Oh, and after my games, good thing I got the reservation at 12 o'clock lunch at Toadstool Cafe. All thanks to that cafe's manager. He was so kind, hospitable, and helpful. So I'm starting to love that manager. So I'm going to rate him 5 out of 5 stars. So he did a great job being so hospitable, and he's so kind and helpful. I'm going to love that guy. Okay, Princess Peach, here I come. Hello, Peach, Your Highness. Oh, that's you.
Wow, look at you.
She's you from the past, just like in the video game.
Spectacular.
Me or her? Both of us.
Oh, it's so nice to meet another princess.
You're welcome. Oh, thank you, Your Highness. Oh, the twirl. Shall we take a picture together?
Yay!
Yahoo! Okay. Everybody say, whoop-ho! Here we go.
Thank you for being my friend.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoop, whoop, whoa!
Sweet!
Thank you. And now the hug.
Farewell, dear friend. Come see me again soon.
I will. Have a good day, Your Highness. That's it. Farewell, my dear friend.
Lovely!
Woo! I feel so much better. After my tough times trying to reserve my 12 o'clock for the Toadstool Cafe. Good thing the manager helped me. And right now, before I can get there 10 minutes early or 20 minutes early to that cafe, I gotta finish one game over there. Because right now it's past 10:30, so I got one more hour. You know, since it's gonna be 1 hour, I hope I can still have time for this game. After this game and get the key, then I could get to 12 o'clock. You know, for my lunchtime. I can't wait to try these, and I can wait to show them and share my food with you so you can see them what I love to eat. Come on.
Tap right here to get it started, please.
Okay.
Tap right here to get it started, please.
Okay.
You have not tapped.
Ready or not? Here I come. Like this?
Please tap to get it started.
Okay.
Now you're good to start turning. Start turning.
Now do it faster. Faster.
Good job. Now you tap your band right here to get your key. Congratulations, and you're good to go.
Yes! Wow, now that is so... You know what I meant to say is, according to my recorded video, this is like less than 40 seconds than I thought, and it was fast. No wonder the line got a little faster. Because whenever and every time in that kind of game, you know, the lever and the Goomba, I just thought it'd always take a minute or less than 1 minute, and now I'm fast. No wonder I got the speed of a woodpecker. Oh, if you're asking how many keys, there it is. I got 2 keys, and I have the same coins, but don't worry, I could get the coins later, right after the games and my lunch. Then I could get to the Bowser's Mario Kart ride. Okay, here I come for the game.
Oh, that's one of the keys of this.
Let's go, everybody. I'm up for that game. Makes me feel like a tough fighter. If I see Bowser, I can wait to punch him in the mouth or snout like this. I'm a tough woodpecker like my Uncle Woody Woodpecker, who used to be a wrestler. So I'm going to be just like my Uncle Woody. Don't worry, Uncle Woody. I'll do anything for you to make you proud. As my best family member of all time who became a famous celebrity, even though I'm sad that you end up retired from Universal Studios. But as long as I'm here as your next generation Uncle Woody, anything for you. Let's go! was fun doing it. That, hit the power box in order to get that turtle shell to hit right into that key. Oh, and you have to forget me about that clip that seems to be mute somehow. I don't know what went wrong with my microphone, but I was able to fix it, and now you can hear me. Now, before I can find the line, I better hit that coin box. Now, let's go find the line for the fourth game. There it is. Let's get in. I hope it's going to be quicker. Woo-wee! Finally! Good thing I got here 15 minutes early on time. Especially the manager is the one gave me a reservation text. Reservation time. Oh! I was seeing how this works. Okay. This is hard to guess. I'll go with the bigger one. How about this? A coin! Yes! I did it! Yes! Golly, look how beautifully designed in here. It's so nostalgic. It reminds me what I see when I was a little girl in that video games I played. It's my first time here. Just for the first time. First time in here. Now, all I'm thinking is a Mario burger and the tomato soup and water. That's all I'm planning to eat for today. Wow, look at all those menus. Mushroom soup? I'll take the Mario burger. Tiramisu. These garlic breads looks good. Good thing I'm here for my lunch. Chef told Crepes pencil. Ooh, spaghetti. A chicken salad? Oh, no way I would eat a chicken salad. Especially it's lamb with pancito. It doesn't feel right to eat a chicken. Bowser's? Bread or waffle? Short rib is my specialty to eat, but if I come here again, some other time. And there's a toad! Chef Toad! It's like he's voiced by the same voice actress, Samantha Kelly, the voice actress of Princess Peach. Wow, Toad is such a good chef. He's so adorable. Let's wait until he comes back. made it into my right reservation time. I'm so glad I got here 25 minutes early before my reservation time because I'm lucky I was aware it's going to be the longest line because Super Nintendo World is getting overratedly popular, especially for nostalgic Mario fans. And right now, guess what I ordered? Okay, here it is. You can see I ordered Mario burger and tomato soup. And of course, just a simple cup of water because water is more healthier and more rehydrating. If you look at these napkins, I don't know, how did he decorate napkins? It's just a professional well done. It makes me jealous. How did they design the napkins? Like, how did he print it or stamp it like this? It's just amazing. I love this art. Napkin art. And of course, I got my baby Peach plus doll. She's coming with me for me to, so both of us can eat together. It's like baby's always hungry, but the problem is they cannot eat solid food. So I'm giving them soft food like applesauce and of course tomato soup. I bet Peach is a vegetarian because she's a healthy, beautiful princess. White baby Peach? I almost call her Your Highness but she's not a highness yet because she's a baby. So I'll just call her Peach until she grows up. I know babies cannot talk. It's like I feel like I'm whispering to her, like I'm a baby, like I'm the baby's whisperer. She seems to be happy. I know, Peach. I could call you Peach because I almost call you Your Highness. Well, of course you are born as the princess with the royal blood. And I even don't know who your parents are. But I'll take good care of you. Of course, you won't go hungry as long as we eat together. Of course, I can share you my tomato soup. Now, any minute, and I can't wait to eat. Let's wait. Hey! What's going on? A storm? A storm at a time like this? Oh, what's going on? It's Bowser's flying set from Mario Odyssey. Don't tell me that Bowser is after Peach. Oh, Toads! Oh no. Bullets! Where did Bowser go? There he is. He's shooting bullets. He's trying to ruin Mushroom Kingdom while he's going after Peach. Your Highness, try to stay away from Bowser. Mario will get you. He can keep you safe. Oh, fluttery feathers. The Toads are better run for it. Run for your life. Whoa! Now that's a pretty good deer here. Hey, the sky's clearing. Could it be Bowser's getting away? Oh, thank goodness, the mushroom kingdom is okay now. So are the toads.
Nancy, start working. Thank
Looks like everything's back to normal after that disaster caused by Bowser. Keep up the good work. Oh, well then, let's keep waiting until the food arrives. Finally, my meal has arrived ever since I waited for 1 hour, and here it is. Oh, good thing I take my gloves off so I can get ready to eat. Every time I'm ready to eat, I always take my gloves off, and I'm surprised I have human hands upon saving the feathers off my hands. Of course, I've got a few wounds since the saber can't be sharp. Oh, it's not just any mushroom. It's a... Here, let me open this.
I got like the burger fries.
It's a tomato soup inside, and it has mushroom in it. Wow, and I'm surprised this is just a small bowl of tomato soup, but it's a good amount for me. I wonder if I can find a spoon. Sorry. And look, now, let me see if I can try it. Pretty good French fry. I'm always get ready to eat. Now, let's see if I can taste this Mario burger. It's bacon burger. Okay, one bite. I'm gonna taste it. Oh. It's okay. I could reapply the lipstick into my lips after I eat. I wish I have a transfer-proof lipstick, because regular lipstick gets easily smeared off. This is so good. So good. Now, I could act a waitress or a waiter for a spoon so I can taste the soup. Okay, the waiter gave me the spoon. Okay. It's like I'm gonna feed it to Peach. I'm not gonna feed it for reals, it's just pretending. You know, just like you play with your toys. Here you go, Peach. Good princess. Instead of good girl, I'll just call her good princess, because she is the princess by royal blood after all. Okay. It's a little hot, but I'll taste it. It's so good. I love tomato soup. And of course, the tasty, crunchy mushroom. Nothing tastes better than any mushrooms or spaghetti soup. Now I'm gonna rate Toadstool Cafe 5 out of 5 stars. Now then, I'll see you later after I eat. Oh, I made it got 3 stars, which told me I'm ready to get to Bowser, but I want to finish one more game, and then I could get to the Bowser Jr.'s lair to get the golden mushroom back for Mario, Luigi, and Princess Peach and Mushroom Kingdom. So I'm gonna become a hero. If I did become a hero of Mushroom Kingdom, I bet Mario Luigi would be my friend. Right, I'll see you after lunch. Whew! I finally finished my lunch and I'm not hungry anymore. Now, I was wondering how are Luigi and Mario doing? I'm gonna check the time. Mario and Luigi will be here at 2:30. So the time is 1:40 p.m. right now. That means I'll still have time for one more game before I can meet Mario and Luigi. Now, let's go back to this. Come on.
3, 2, 1, here we go.
Now that's something that you saw something familiar from any Mario video games. Oh, if you're asking where's my doll baby Peach, she's right in my backpack where she's safe. There she is. She's safe in my backpack, so nobody will get her, especially Bowser Jr. She'll be safe in my backpack. Don't worry, Peach. You're gonna be fine in there as long as you're safe and hidden. I'll protect you from Bowser and Bowser Jr.
By yourself?
Yeah, that's me. Yes! Woohoo! Yes! We did it! Let's go! Woohoo! Was I fast or what? I can't believe I'm doing it real good faster, even by myself alone. But I somehow have a, excuse me, I have a good speed of a woodpecker. Okay. Now, up to that Bowser's lair. Come on.
So where people are holding the big lollipop, those are the names and that's where the links are.
This is it. Bowser's lair. Okay,
Hi there, you have 3 keys?
4 keys.
The line's gonna start all the way over there.
1, 2, 3.
Good job.
I only have 4 keys.
High five. Overachiever.
Thank you, overachiever. Funny you think that compared to my Uncle Woody. Oh, so this is Bowser Jr. I'm very intrigued that he's a narcissist, just like his dad. Yep, he is some sort of overachieving narcissist, just like his dad. Yep, like father, like son. Whoa! I wonder what happened. Whoa! This one left. Look at all those stuff. He must have collect these treasures. Graffiti, just like Super Mario Sunshine video game I played as a little girl. Okay, here I am. This is where the game starts. Any minute now. Good thing I got 4 keys, so I should be good to go. And I'm ready to get the golden mushroom for my friends Mario, Luigi, and Princess Peach once and for all. Okay, Bowser and Bowser Jr., wait till you see me. I'm gonna beat you in this game fair and square. Come on.
He's so excited, he can't stop dancing.
I know.
Alright, you worthless nobodies. I mean heroes. You guys look down, please, real quick. That's your assigned number. Remember that number on the other side of the chamber. Now I'll let the operators further explain how everything goes. What I need you guys to do is pay attention to the 2 frames in front of you. I'm going to teach you all the strategies and everything as a V-Lock Junior to get the golden motion back.
Welcome, heroes! You've done well to make it this far.
Right there.
Up ahead is our final showdown with Bowser Jr. When bob-ombs are tossed at you, use your arms to swat them away. Got it? Swat bob-ombs away. When bullet bills fly toward you, duck to dodge them. Don't forget, duck to dodge bullet bills.
Okay.
Jump to hit a question mark and get a power. When you get a fireflower, swing your arms to throw fireballs. Yes! Swing your arms to throw fireballs. Now go forth, defeat Bowser Jr., and reclaim the golden mushroom. Good luck, heroes.
I might not remember all that. Wait. Okay.
Now you wait.
Make sure you have your opponents with you during the game. Make sure you have your opponents with you during the game. Challenge starts in 3, 2, 1.
Luigi right after that Bowser's Lair battle. And I finally won. And a good thing I returned the golden mushroom back to the Mushroom Kingdom, where Princess Peach retrieved it. And now baby Peach is safe with me. Thank goodness she's alright. Now I can introduce her to Mario and Luigi. Not the baby Mario and Luigi, the future adult Mario and Luigi. Now, any minute now, Mario and Luigi will be here. Now let's go meet him. Come on. There they are. It's Mario and Luigi. I have to meet them first, then I'm gonna go home. Let's go now. Me? Why, thank you, Luigi. Okay.
Let's take a picture.
Okay.
Wow, you're a Mario fan. Wonderful.
Whoa!
Now, way to go.
Thank you.
The golden cup.
Alright, and now for the hug. Okay, done. Now time for the hug. High five. Your turn, Mario. Time for the hug. Do you do hugs, Mario? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming to play.
Oh. High five.
High five.
Oh. Goodbye.
See you next time.
See you next time. My, now this is the best day ever. Even though the one thing I have to miss is the Mario Kart. But there's always next time. But next time if I go here for the third time, I'm gonna get to the Mario Kart. Then I'll reunite with my friends, Scooby-Doo and the Mystery Gang, and more. Of course, my Uncle Woody will be so proud of me when he hears about this. Huh? Is that? Easter find! Excuse me, coming through. I found her. Awesome. Okay, my turn. Right after them. This is so crowded. Wow, that little girl got adult Peach. All I got is baby Peach here. Sorry. Oh, I didn't know it's your turn. I didn't know it's your turn, sorry. So, I was saying, sorry, I thought it was my turn since I'm in line. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay. Now, let's get out of here for now. We can come back for Mario Kart for another day. Come on.
Hi guys, so the exit will be back there, please. Exit back there.
Oh, the exit? Where?
See those 3 mushrooms? Turn left.
Turn left. Okay. Whoops. That's what I mean. Clumsy mistake. 3 mushrooms, they say. Should be on the left. And now I'm gonna have to be the guide. So I can't let you follow my mistake. My clumsy mistake. Well, not exactly clumsy, but more than clumsy. I would say honest mistake. More than just clumsy. Sorry. Dang, this is overcrowded. Oh, and there's Mario Luigi. They're having a good time together. And I can't wait to see the Mario movie. Okay, that's the dream mushroom. That's a good hint. Exit should be the one on the left. Now that'll reduce the overcrowding. My, what a nice exit car auto, a hallway. I don't know why it feels like a Nintendo Wonderland. Hey, what's this? Upon exiting, a new virtual line reservation will be required for re-entry. That's good to know. Now we're finally out. It's time for me to go home.
Just give it a...
Excuse me. Judging by this area, yes, we're back to where we started earlier. I wonder how the others doing it. Anyway. Everybody seems fine right now. Next time I will go meet up with Scooby, the gang, Marilyn Monroe, the Beetlejuice, oops. And whatever you do not say his name for 2 more times. If you say 3 times in a row fast, without stop, you never know what's gonna happen to him. But it's gonna be bad news for him. So only say his name 1 time, but don't call him another time. Don't. In the meantime, I'm going home. It's sure lots of fun, and especially I'm able to meet up with Mario, Luigi, and Peach in person again. And it's the best day ever, and I end up saving Mushroom Kingdom from Bowser Jr. Of course, Bowser too. Bowser Jr.'s dad. And now I feel like I've become acclaimed hero of Mushroom Kingdom, along with Mario and Luigi. I hope one day I would love to go on an adventure with Mario and Luigi, so we can work together like a team. Especially we can fight Bowser together. Yeah. Oh, say, I better get to Pauline's. The new Donk City. This is where Pauline is gonna sing Jump Up Superstar. I's gonna be there with Mario too. And I can't wait to dance. I gotta get ready about tonight. And I couldn't have fun without you. It's time for me to go. Thank you for watching, and thanks for joining me for fun in Super Nintendo World. Goodbye.
Welcome to the New Donk City Festival, a celebration of the history of our city. And now, to get things started, her honor, Mayor